Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue with your Advantage Arms conversion kit where the trigger's not resetting when you have a magazine inserted. So I don't know if it'll do it right now, but if I insert the magazine and I pull the trigger, sometimes when it fires and comes back forward, see how the trigger just reset? Sometimes it won't do that without this fix. So I'll show you how to do that today so that your kit is running reliably. So what's actually causing the problem is the magazines, not the kit itself. The magazines, if they have a little bit too much material right here, right up here, they will actually push this little lip right here. They'll push it towards the frame, and that lip is actually what resets your trigger. And if it's pushed too far towards the frame, it won't reset the trigger after the shot. So to fix that, all you have to do is just remove some material here. And the way that you get the perfect amount of material is you'll need to insert it into the frame, and then you'll watch your little lever here, and you'll slowly take it out of the frame. And I don't know if you could see that, but if the lever moves in at all, it's not supposed to move at all. If it moves in at all, that means that there's too much material in the magazine, and you've got to remove it. And the best way to do that is obviously just with a Dremel. But if you don't have a Dremel, sandpaper or a file will work fine. It's just going to take a little bit longer. So the way I like to do it is just remove a little bit of material at a time, and then test it in the magazine or in the gun. Put the magazine in the gun and see if the little flip moves in. If it moves in when you pull it out, that means you need to take more material off. So I'm going to go ahead and get working on this. All right, that's good for a first try. Let's insert it and see if we can see the lip move at all when we remove it. So that is your lip right there. And I'm gonna remove it slowly. And yep, as you could see, hopefully it moved in a little bit, which means we need to take more material off. Okay, I'll go ahead and try it again. Insert the magazine. Remove it slowly. And yep, still saw a little bit of movement, so we're going to take a little bit more off. And the key to this is just doing a little bit at a time and checking it to make sure that you don't take too much off. So go ahead and try it again. So that is looking good. It's still got a little bit of movement on it, so I'll go ahead and take off that little bit more material. All right, let me try that. All right, that is perfect. It's not moving at all when I drop that magazine. So now, I guarantee you it will work 10 out of 10 times. You can just drop a shell in there because you're not supposed to dry fire with this kit. So just drop a shell in, pull the trigger, rack it, drop the slide, and just do that 5 or 6 times. Make sure the trigger resets each time. And that's all there is to it. Before this, my gun was at least 3 or 4 shots per magazine. The trigger would just not reset. It was terrible. But after I did this, it worked 100%. I haven't had the trigger not reset even one time. So this was definitely the issue. So leave your comments if this worked for you or not. If not, leave what your problem is and I'll see if I can respond to you with some advice. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you. Bye.